Ford and LEGO Registered are celebrating Ford's heritage by adding a 1968 Mustang Fastback race car to the LEGO Speed Champions lineup. As a tribute to America's favorite sports car, the 183-piece Ford Mustang kit features green bodywork with gold dual stripes and wheels, race graphics stickers, removable windscreen and a minifigure driver wearing a classic racing suit. For added fun, the race car set includes a Ford-branded timing board. As a natural fit for the new 2018 Mustang launch, the most personalized Mustang ever, Ford's design and licensing teams worked closely with LEGO to create a 1968 Mustang Fastback race car set that speaks to the passion, creativity and personalization pony car fans will appreciate. On sale March 1st, the 1968 Ford Mustang joins the historic Ford GT40 and new Ford GT race cars, Ford F-150 Raptor high-performance off-road truck, a Ford Fiesta WRC rally car, a classic Ford hot rod and a 2015 Ford Mustang as part of the LEGO Speed Champions Ford collection.